So here is my phone, and then here is a clear case for the Sony Xperia XA2. I really love the Sony Xperia XA2 phone. If you wanna buy this phone, this phone and this case, the link will be in the description box below. So how good is the clear case? As you can see, I literally don't wanna use any another color like black color case because I really love the silver color of the Sony Xperia XA2. So now let me put the phone case inside, and then now let me show you how good is the case. Okay, here we go. I mean, still you can see the beauty of the Sony Xperia XA2. I mean, using this case, this is a TPU slim case. The link will be in the description box. So if you're looking something which is a clear, which is transparent, you just can't go wrong with this case. Again, the link will be in the description box below. I am excited. I mean, I'm excited. I'm just excited because finally I can get a case which is clear case. So yeah, it was me, Geek. Make sure to subscribe and bye. Check out the links in the description box. Bye.